Every crypto YouTuber keeps telling you the same thing. Buy Bitcoin, buy Ethereum, play it safe. And look, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, those are all incredible projects. But if you only have $1,000 to invest, putting 50% of your portfolio into Bitcoin probably isn't going to generate the kind of upside you're actually looking for. Because realistically, Bitcoin is already a multi-trillion-dollar asset. Could it double? Absolutely. But turning $1,000 into $2,000 isn't exactly life-changing money. And then the second mistake people make, they spread their money way too thin. They'll buy like 15 or 20 coins, putting like $40 into each one. And at that point, even if one of your coins is a 5x or a 10x, your portfolio barely moves. Meanwhile, half the other coins slowly bleed out. So in this video, I wanted to build a $1,000 crypto portfolio focused on maximum upside while still staying somewhat smart and calculated. This is not some degenerate all-in meme coin portfolio. I'm not buying random microcaps with a 200k market cap, hoping they magically 100x overnight. These are projects that still have strong narratives, strong ecosystems, real communities, but also have significantly more upside potential than the massive billion-dollar large caps. Now, obviously, I still think everybody should own long-term safer holdings like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. Those are your foundation. But this portfolio, this is the growth portfolio. Higher risk, higher reward, bigger upside. And these are the three coins I'd personally choose. So the first project in this portfolio is going to be Tau or Bittensor. And this one stands out because it's the biggest and safest position here. Right now it's sitting at around a $3 billion market cap, making it the blue chip AI asset of the portfolio. Bittensor is focused entirely on decentralized AI, and honestly I think this is one of the strongest long-term projects in crypto, especially because institutions are starting to pay attention to it in a serious way. What makes Tau different is that it's not just another AI hype coin. It's actually a decentralized, permissionless cryptocurrency with real utility, real infrastructure, and a rapidly growing ecosystem. It also has a Bitcoin-style halving mechanic, meaning issuance gets reduced over time, creating long-term scarcity dynamics similar to Bitcoin. But when you actually look at the chart, it's really bullish long-term. Tau already survived a full market cycle with the massive run-up, the huge correction, and unlike most hype coins, it didn't die. That's important because it shows that there's real demand and real belief behind the project. And even after the correction, it's still holding over a $3 billion market cap, while most projects from previous cycles completely collapse and never recover. And right now, the chart looks more like a healthy consolidation and accumulation phase rather than a dead project. We can see price has been stabilizing, building support, and forming a base. After that, huge expansion upward. Another major bullish signal is the subnet ecosystem that's developing. I've looked into a lot of these subnets personally, and honestly, they are incredible. Many of them are literally hosting and training AI models directly on the network itself. Then you combine that with the strong volume. The 24-hour volume just for today was 225 million. And on top of that, we have institutional attention. As we could see, developments like the Grayscale Trust and the potential ETF exposure are underway, and it becomes clear why so many people see Tau as one of the leaders in the AI sector. So overall, Bittensor is really the foundation of this portfolio, and it is the AI blue chip. So the next project in this portfolio is NPC. And this one is completely different from Bittensor because Tau is the serious AI infrastructure play. NPC is pure internet culture, memes, and narrative strength. Right now, we could see NPC sitting at $57 million market cap, which makes it significantly smaller and gives it way more upside potential if momentum really starts flowing back into meme coins. This will be one of the first ones to take off when meme coins start to become the trend again. And honestly, one of the biggest reasons I like NPC is because it's one of the most recognizable internet memes ever. Almost everybody online has seen the NPC meme before. The blank expression, the programmed behavior, jokes, all of that. It's already deeply embedded into internet culture. And that's important because meme coins are all about attention and relatability. The stronger and more recognizable the meme is, the easier it spreads across social media. And when you look at the chart, it actually has a pretty bullish structure long term. NPC already had the huge breakout phase, the correction, and now it looks like it's consolidating instead of completely dying off. It has one of the most cultish communities. Most meme coins spike once and disappear forever. NPC has maintained a community, volume, and relevance even after the hype has cooled down. Another thing that makes the timing very interesting is GTA 6 coming out. GTA has always been heavily tied to NPC jokes, internet humor, random character memes, and chaotic online culture, which fits this coin's narrative perfectly. And the GTA 6 will feature the most advanced and dynamic NPCs in gaming history. So if the meme coin hype really comes back during the next cycle, NPC already has a recognizable meme, strong internet culture behind it, a funny narrative, and a chart that still looks alive. So overall, NPC is basically the max upside meme play of this portfolio. So the final coin in this portfolio is going to be ZigChain. And this coin is focused on RWAs and on-chain wealth management. And right now it's sitting at a $60 million market cap, which is a solid entry, which gives it a lot more upside potential if the RWA narrative continues to grow. What makes Zignally interesting is that it evolved from Zignally, which is an already established wealth management and copy trading platform. So there's actual infrastructure and history behind the project. And the main goal is bringing professional wealth management on-chain through things like RWAs, DeFi yields, staking, and institutional grade financial products. And one of the biggest recent developments is Zig 2.0, where revenue generated through Zig markets will be used to buy back up to 500 million Zig tokens from the open market over time. So what this does is, instead of relying purely on hype, they're trying to directly connect ecosystem growth and institutional activity back into demand for the token itself. And overall, if the tokenized finance and RWA sector continues to grow, Zig could be one of the smaller cap projects positioned to benefit from it. So that's the full $1,000 portfolio: one AI coin, one meme coin, and one RWA coin. Crypto moves in narratives, and when sectors like AI, meme coins, or RWAs start running, a lot of the coins in those sectors tend to move together. So the goal was getting exposure to multiple strong narratives this cycle. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe.